Hello friends, Shuddho here, and today in this video we shall learn the single tags and the fulfill tags which says opening and the closing also. So I hope after watching this video you will be able to understand easily that which tags are single tags and which are fulfill or the opening and closing tags. In HTML we have already seen that some tags have opening and closing also, but some tags hasn't the closing, only the opening. Suppose the break tag which is called beer. This has no closing, only it has only the opening tag, and this is one kind of single tag. So today in this video we shall talk about the tags. I already have made a list about the single and the fulfill or the opening and closing tags. So let's get started. So at first I'm going to open my list which I have created. So this is the list what I have already created. So the first tag is that what we have discussed in this video. So this is BR which breaks our lines. Eh. And the second tag is HR. I hope I have already talked about this code. If I haven't talked about this code, so I shall talk about this code in the next tutorials. So this is horizontal rule, and the second and not second third this third tag is img tag, which we have already learned in this channel, which creates our images. And the fourth is input. We haven't learned about this, we should learn. And this 5 number is link, what we have already learned. Not this is not the what we have learned. We have learned the anchor tag, which have which we need to put a reference web page link, and if we click on the link, so that take us to the reference web page. So this is not the code what we are talking about. So here has in HTML has a lot of codes which we have not written here. Suppose in HTML fulfill tags we have not written the anchor tag, so we can write here now. So anchor, so this creates our link, so you can write here create links. So now save this. So if anybody need this list, so I shall put in the description, I shall put the link in the description of this list. If anybody needs so you can check out that. So here has a lot of codes which we haven't learned to now, but in the next tutorials we shall learn about this. So, and I want to inform you a new things that in the next classes or tutorials which we shall learn, those tutorials we will not use a notepad to edit our codes. We shall use a popular code editor called Visual Studio Code. So download the Visual Studio Code. I shall put the download link of Visual Studio Code in my video description. Check out the link and download and install Visual Studio Code on your laptop or desktop. So why we shall use Visual Studio Code? So Visual Studio Code has a lot of facilities which will help us to improve our writing activity, and the suggestion which will improve our writing skill, fast writing skill. So as fast as possible, download Visual Studio Code to edit your course perfectly. So I have already downloaded, you can see the app here. So Also you will download this for improve your coding activity. So there is the HTML single text. So now we shall see HTML fulfill tags. So we have learned HTML tags, which is very important for HTML, and also this is a tag of HTML tag. So in this HTML we learn we write our codes like head, body, this is etc. So head is fulfill tags because this has opening and closing also. Container for metadata. Metadata, we shall talk about metadata in future. The third is title tag. We use title tag to show a title in web pages. Sometimes we show text as a title on our web page, so there we use the title tag. Next, the body tag, which is very important to keep our main structure codes in this tag. The div tag, we have not learned about this code. P tag, we have learned about this code. This I can create a paragraph using this tag, and this is a fulfill tag in HTML. H1 to H6, headings of different levels, steps. We have already learned about all the HTML headings, which is H1 to H6. We've learned about this. UL, we have not learned about this. OL, no. LI, also this is new. We should learn about this in future. We can also add a lot of more codes in this list, so I shall add something more in this list, and also those you will get in this list. If you want to take this list, just check out the description link and take a screenshot or download this folder directly. So I hope this video will help you to understand the which tags are single or which are fulfilled. So I hope after watching this video or taking this list or downloading this list to your laptop, you don't need to watch any more videos or anything to understand the single tags and fulfill tags. So this is very easy to understand. Single tags has only the opening, don't has any kind of closing tags, but the fulfill tags has a opening tags and closing tags. Both have of a fulfill tags. So I hope this video you have already enjoyed. So stay with our channel to learn HTML, CSS or any other languages properly to design a full complete website. And if you want to download Visual Studio Code on your laptop, so check out the description to download this, and bye for this day. Stay with us for learn HTML and CSS.